Good morning, students. Today we will study class 6, chapter number 4 and exercise 4C. 4C. In last class we have completed up to exercise 4B. Now in exercise 4C the question number first is subtract. Number 1 is given here 18 and 18 from minus 34. The question is given here, subtract 18 from minus 34. You have to subtract this from this. Now the answer would be minus 34. After that minus 34, then minus 18. Minus and minus would be a plus sign, then your answer would be minus 52. This is your answer. Answer is minus 52. Same I am mentioning here the homework for you. The homework is question number 1 part you have to do second to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All parts are same. I have explained one. You have to do by your own. After that question number second. Question number second is given here. Question number second is given, subtract the sum of, question number second, subtract the sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. It means you have to subtract the sum of 1050 and 813 from minus 23. You have to add these two number. After that what the answer would become, you have to subtract from this. आपको ये दोनों नंबर्स को प्लस करना है. आफ्टर दैट जो भी आंसर आपका आता है उससे आपको माइनस करना है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन यही कह रहा है सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ. आपको इन दोनों का सम इससे माइनस करना है. हाउ यू विल डू दिस? minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. This is given to you. Then minus 1050 plus 813. We have to add these two number. जब हमको ये दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करना है तो आपका प्लस माइनस एंड प्लस कितना होता है? माइनस होता है. द आंसर वुड बी, जब आप इसको प्लस माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 237. आंसर वुड बी 237 when you minus these two, because plus minus and minus digit is greater in comparison of plus, so I have put here minus sign. Now subtract the sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. अब हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to subtract the sum of this from this. Now minus 23 minus 237. It is come here. After that minus 23 minus and minus plus 237 plus minus minus, answer would be 214 in plus, because the positive digit is greater in comparison of negative. This is your answer. You have to do. Okay, question number second I have explained. Now third, fourth and fifth. Question number third, fourth you have to do. Question number third, fourth and fifth I am explaining you. Third and fourth are same. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is, question number 5, it is given, add minus 36 to the difference of minus 8 and minus 68. Question is same, but there is little difference in the wordings of this question. You can see add -36. आपको -36 ऐड करना है, लेकिन किसमें ऐड करना है? टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ -8 एंड -16. जो भी डिफरेंस इनका निकल के आएगा, डिफरेंस मींस यू हैव टू डू माइनस. सी हियर आंसर वुड बी -8 and -68. So -8 minus 68. Okay, you have difference means negative sign. After that -8 minus and minus plus 68 plus minus equals to 60. But it should be in positive because the positive integer is greater in comparison of negative. This is your the difference of -8 and -68. Now you have to add this difference in -36. Add -36 to 60. So -36 plus 60. Okay, -36 plus 60 equals to 24. This is your answer. This is your answer, minus plus 24, because I have told you the plus digit is greater in comparison of minus, so the answer would be minus. So the answer would be plus 24. Now the question number 5th I have explained you. Now the question number 6th. Question number 6 is given. Simplify. Question number 6. Simplify. Number 1 is 37 minus 8. After that bracket close, plus then bracket start 11 minus 30. This is your question is given here. See, 37 minus and minus equals to 37 minus and minus plus 8 plus 11 minus and minus plus 30. Now you can see, you can do this question very easily. 37 plus 8 equals to 45. 11 plus 30 it equals to 41. Now add these two numbers, 5 and 1 6, 4 and 4 8. 86 is your answer and it is in positive. This is question number 6. You have to complete question number 6 part 2nd. Okay, you have to do by your own. Now I am explaining you same you have to do in question number 7 also. In question number 7 find. So let me explain you question number 7. Question number 7 is find 34 minus 72 and minus 72 minus 34. Are they equal? This means when you are simplifying this and this, तो जो आंसर आएगा क्या वो दोनों इक्वल आंसर निकल के आएंगे या नहीं? आंसर, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. Answer would be 34 minus 72. It would be 34 minus and minus plus 72. It is 106. Answer would be 100. Now here second part, minus 72 minus 34. It is minus 72 and minus 34. Minus and minus plus minus 72 minus 34. Answer would be minus 106. So you have to write they are not equal. They are not equal. ये दोनों equal नहीं, क्योंकि एक का आंसर आ रहा है 106 और एक का आंसर आ रहा है minus 106. Same you have to do now question number 8. Question number 8 is question number 8 is given the sum of two integers. Question number 8, the sum of two integers is minus 13 if one of the number is 170, find the other. This is language based question. You have to, first of all, how you can solve this question. Answer number 8, let the other integer be x. हमने एक इंटीजर को x ले लिया है. नाउ according to question, we have x plus 170 equals to minus 13. X equals to minus 13 minus 170. So x equals to minus 183. This is your other number. The other number is the other integer is minus 183. This is your answer. You have to do question number 7. Question number 8 is similar. Question number 9. You have to do question number 9. Question number 9 is your homework. Same you this. And question number 10 is your true false. Now let's come to question number 11. Question number 11 is given. The point A is on a mountain which is 570 meter. First of all, in this type of question, you have to mention how the point A is given and point B is given. See, let me draw the diagram. This is your diagram. Point A and point B. Okay. The point A is on mountain which is 5,700 meter above. Point A is 5,700 meter above. And the point B is in min which is 39,600 meter below. This is 39,600 meter below the sea level. Find the vertical distance between A and B. You have to find the vertical distance between A and B. A and B की आपको vertical distance निकालनी है. First of all, what you have to do? You have to do answer number 11. Let us consider the above sea level is positive and below the sea level is negative. हमने क्या किया? ऊपर जो सी लेवल के था वो उसको हमने पॉजिटिव कंसीडर किया है और जो नीचे था सी लेवल के उसको हमने नेगेटिव किया है. सो height of point A from sea level is, it is given 5700 meter, 5,700 meter it is given here. Now depth of point B from below sea level is, it is also given it is 39,600 and below we have to consider minus 39,600 meter. Now we have to find the vertical distance. Vertical distance of point A and B. आपको क्या करनी है? We have to find the vertical distance of point A and B. Means 5,700 minus 39,600. Okay, you have to do minus here. After that, your answer would be 45300 meter. It means for when you use minus sign here, minus and minus plus, it would be 45300 meter. This is your answer. Same you have to do question number 12. Question number 9 I have given here. Question number 10 and 12 also. It is your homework and your exercise 4C is completed. In next class I will discuss question number 12. If you are not able to do it, then I will discuss question number 12 and we will start our new exercise. Exercise 4D 4C has been completed. Thank you and have a nice day.